Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress step by step. If you are starting a dropshipping business, this setup will let you import products directly from AliExpress and fulfill orders automatically. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you need. A Shopify store already set up, a free or paid D-shares account. It's the official AliExpress dropshipping partner, a Google Chrome browser for the T-shirts, Chrome extension, and of course, a free AliExpress account. If you have those ready, let's move to the first step. Install the D-shares app from Shopify App Store. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Add Apps, and scroll down and click Shopify App Store. Now search for D-shares. Click on it, click on that, and click install. Once installed, it will ask you to connect your Shopify store to D-shares. Follow the steps. It only takes a few clicks. D-shares will now become your control panel for managing AliExpress products and orders. Now let's connect D-shares to AliExpress. Go to D-shares dashboard. Then click account. From account, click authorization. Click link to AliExpress and log in with your AliExpress account. Then log into your AliExpress account. Then sign in. Once authorized, D-shares and AliExpress will be fully linked. You will also be prompted to install the D-shares Chrome extension. Do it because it helps with faster product importing and auto ordering. In the search bar, search for D-shares Chrome extension, then click on it. Now comes the fun part, importing products. Go to aliexpress.com. Using Chrome, browse any product you want to sell, for example, smart watches or any gadget from any product from here. Take that. Browse. Now click the D-shares icon on the product page or click add to D-shares directly. Now go to D-shares, import list. You can edit the product title, description, choose which variants to keep, set pricing, rules, and pick product images. Once you are ready, click push to Shopify. Boom. Your product is now live on your Shopify store. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it will show up in your research dashboard. To fulfill the order, go to research, order, click place order to next to the item. Research will open the product on AliExpress and autofill the customer's shipping details. You just confirm payment and it's done. AliExpress ships the product directly to your customer. You can even enable auto-sync tracking numbers in the settings so your customers get updates automatically. Let's look at a few import research settings. Go to research account, then settings. Click on pricing rules. This is where you set your profit margins. For example, multiply AliExpress price by 2, add and add a flat markup. You can also set auto order settings, customize invoice settings, enable bulk order placement when you have multiple sales. Pro tip: always order a few test products to check quality and shipping time. And that's it. You have now successfully connected Shopify with AliExpress using this search. This is the foundation of a successful dropshipping store in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on setting price strategies, running ads for your store, or handling refunds and delivery issues. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.